Hey, 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 Kinder friends! Are you ready to learn your new sight words this week? Let's take a look. Our first word that we're going to be learning today is the word down. The next word we'll take a look at is hour. And finally, we'll learn the word into. Are you ready? Let's do this. Our first word is down. Spell it with me. D-O-W-N. Down. Now let's see if you can tell me what's missing from the word down. What letter is that you say? Did you say D? Yes, D to spell the word down. Try this out. What letter do you think is missing from the word down? Did you say N? Great job. Oh, wow. A whole big chunk in the middle is missing from the word down. I wonder what it could be. Oh, wait a minute. Could it be a hunkin' chunk? O-W, ow. D-O-W-N, down. Let's take a look at our next new sight word this week, hour. Spell it with me. O-U-R. Now let's see if you can find what letter's missing from the word hour. What letter do you think is missing here? Did you say O? Very good. Oh, we have a new letter missing. What letter do you think it is? Did you say R? Great job. We spelled our new sight word, hour. All right, here we go. Last word this week is into. Let's spell it together. I-N-T-O. Did you notice what I see here? There's actually two words inside of into. We have in and to for the word into. Now let's see if we can figure out what's missing. What do you think is missing from the word into? Did you say I? You smarty. What do you think is missing now? That's right, an O. Great job. Oh, I bet you know this one. We got two letters missing in the word into. Do you know what letters they are? That's right, T-O, like our sight word too. You did a super job, friends. Give yourself a pat on the back.